Welcome back, dear students. In this chapter, we'll talk about the secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters are the changes which takes place during puberty. In boys, hairs begin to grow on their face and they develop beards and mustaches. Hair also grow in the chest, armpits and pubic regions. The testis starts to produce sperms. In girls, their breast develops and the hair grows in the armpits and pubic regions. The ovary starts to produce eggs. These changes are controlled by chemical substances called hormones produced by endocrine gland. The male hormone which controls secondary sexual characters is called testosterone. It is produced in the testes. The female hormone which controls secondary sexual character is called estrogen. It is produced in the ovary. The production of these hormones is controlled by another gland called pituitary gland. Reproductive phase in humans. Now we'll talk about the reproductive phase in humans. The capacity for reproduction starts at puberty. It lasts for a longer times in males than in females. In females, the capacity for reproduction starts at puberty and lasts for 40 to 50 years. Next is menstruation. In females, the ovary produces one egg every month and the uterus prepares to receive the fertilized egg. Its walls become thick with blood vessels. If fertilization does not take place, then the uterus wall breaks and comes out of the vagina as blood and mucus. The cycle takes place once every month and is called menstruation. The beginning of the menstruation cycle is called menarche. When menstruation cycle stops at 40 to 50 years, it is called menopause. Next, we'll talk about the sex determination in humans. Human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. Out of these two chromosomes are sex chromosomes called X and Y chromosomes. The female has two X chromosomes and male has one X and one Y chromosome. The sperm and egg have one set of sex chromosomes. Some sperms have X chromosomes and some have Y chromosomes. All eggs have X chromosomes. If a sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosomes, the child will be a girl. If a sperm having Y chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a boy. Endocrine glands and their function. Now we'll talk about the endocrine gland and what was the function of these glands. Endocrine glands produce chemical substances called hormone which controls different function in the body. The main endocrine glands are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes and ovary. Pituitary gland control growth and production of hormones by testes and ovary. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine. Its deficiency causes goiter, swelling of throat. Adrenal gland produces adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust the stress when we are angry or worried. Pancreas produces insulin. Its deficiency causes diabetes. Testes produces testosterone which control production of sperm and secondary sexual characters in males. Ovary produces estrogen which control production of eggs and secondary sexual characters in females. Reproductive health. Now we'll talk about the reproductive health of human beings. To keep the body healthy, everyone should have balanced diet, personal hygiene, and physical exercise. What is balanced diet? A diet which contains nutrients in the right amounts. Balanced diet should contain cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk, nuts, meat, eggs, sugar, gradually, etc. Personal hygiene. Everyone should have a bath at least once every day. If cleanliness of body is not done, there can be bacterial infection and diseases. Physical exercise. Walking, playing outdoor games, and exercise keep the body healthy. Say no to drugs. Drugs are addictive, which if you take them once, you feel like taking it again and again. They ruin health and happiness. AIDS is a dangerous disease caused by the virus HIV. AIDS separates from an infected person to a healthy person by sexual contact, sharing syringes used for injecting drugs. It is also transmitted from a mother to a child through her milk. These are the things which we have to study in this chapter. Thank you.